What kind of nuggets we got back here?
Chicken nuggets.
What up, Biggin? What's up? What up, Biggin?
Chicken nuggets. Chicken nugget team pilot.
What up, Biggin?
Oh, fuck.
A double cup to forget what you said. Love me like you hurt me so bad, so bad. You're on my mind, thinking about you all the time. I don't want you to let go. No, I don't want you to let go. I swear I can make it all better. If you want me, I'll give it all to you. You're all I see, baby, you're everything. A double cup to forget what you said. Love me like you hurt me so bad, so bad. You're on my mind, thinking about you all the time. I don't want you to let go. No, I don't want you to let go. I swear I can make it all better. If you want me, I'll give it all to you. You're all I see, baby, you're everything. Baby, you're everything. Baby, you're everything. You're on my mind, thinking about you all the time. You're on my mind, thinking about you all the time. I don't want you to let go. No, I don't want you to let go.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. We had a late start to the vlog today. Johnny needs to talk to his camera over here.
Hey, buddy.
But we're gonna flew at one spot. Spot number 2. Spot number 1, just B-roll. Woo! It is a normal Saturday in Atlanta.
Yeah, dude, maximum levels of schnar here, dude.
I think Johnny probably needs to balcony at this point, so.
Tell your fans what balcony means, yeah, Nick.
Why do you have a British accent all of a sudden? Oh my God, fired. We're gonna need this. Ugh. May need this bag as well. We are here with the second spot today. We have Mr. Johnny, the legendary Mr. Steve himself. We got Petey, brand new pilot. Pappy Skeeter joined us again today. And all the way over there, we got Stingy. Stingy, what did you do?
I bought us time.
Well, property manager's already on us, so we're gonna go ahead and fly as fast as we can before we get kicked out. Oh my God! What the f? Kevin! Kevin! What the f?
No, I can't be trusted to wear it on my sleeve. No, I can't be trusted to say just what I mean. All I'm asking for you to rescue me. 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 All I'm asking for.
didn't last long. The very nice security lady kindly told us that we need to get the fuck out of here. So on to the next spot. Kevin's got the getaway car ready to go. Don't need that. Don't need that either. I'm taking the right side because this is the only side of Kevin's car with a seatbelt. So if we hit something really fast, Johnny's gonna go right through the windshield.
It's gonna be dope though, right?
Hey Kevin. Hey Kevin. Hey Kevin.
Don't give in to the troll.
Hey Kevin.
Every time you look away, I just want it more and more. And even though we can avoid the pain, I'll take it till we figure it out, baby. Let's figure it out now. We'll figure it out, baby. Another day. You know I'm not sorry for loving this way. Your touch keeps me blurry, but I'm trying to say that I'm not the one you thought you'd fall into. You know I'm not sorry now. I just want another night with you. You want another night with you. 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 I want another night with you. Want another night with you. I want another night with you. Want another night with you. Another night with you. We can never live a lie, but the truth's so far away. We're already too deep to fight. Everything, figure it out, baby. Let's figure it out now. We'll figure it out, baby. Another day, another day. No, I'm not sorry for loving this way. Your touch keeps me blurry, but I'm trying to say that I'm not the one you thought you'd fall into. You know I'm not sorry now. I just want another night with you. You want another night with you. Want another night with you. I want another night with you. Want another night with you. Want another night with you. I want another night with you. Want another night with you. I want another night with you. Want another night with you. Another night with you. Another night with you. Another night with you. Another night with you.
All right, guys, such a fun day. We had the whole Atlantic route, plus more. Me, Steel, Johnny, Stingy, Schizo, Stingy, John, Johnny, Schizo, and Pete had his first time coming out on a big FPV adventure. Johnny, what are you doing?
vlogging.
Are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging.
I'm so happy he's finally vlogging. I feel like a proud father when he...
What?
I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button.
Smash.
Comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.